All right, welcome in. This is Retire Smart Florida with the Dixon brothers. I'm Chris Dixon.
Sam Dixon on this side of the desk.
Yes, indeed, we are brothers, believe it or not.
You look like twins. Look at that.
That's right. Now look, if you're a Floridian right now, or maybe moving to Florida, if you're a pre-retiree or a retiree, this is for you specifically. Sam, what we're going to talk about right now for the next 8 or 9 minutes is one of the top questions that we get quite a bit, right? Especially for Floridians,
Okay.
all right? So here's a question I get. I'm going to read this question to you, okay, from one of our listeners. How do I pass money down to heirs efficiently? How do I pass money down to heirs efficiently? That's the question. So that's kind of a loaded question, right?
Yeah.
What that has to do with is estate planning.
Yeah, what
Right.
type of assets we talking?
Right.
How do we want to pass them? Do we want to pass them tax efficient, tax free? You know, there's a lot more that goes into this. But let's start unpacking it, Chris. I think first you got to examine what happens if you don't pass it efficiently,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
Because we hear people talk about estate planning all the time, but they don't really tell you what it means,
Yeah.
right?
Does anyone, people don't really know, what is estate planning?
Yeah, you know,
What is that?
what you want to look at is there's ways to estate plan, document-wise, right?
Okay.
Which is important,
Yeah.
okay? Avoid probate and things like that. That's mostly what your estate planning attorneys handle, though, right?
Right.
But there's a second part. What's the second part to estate plan that we talk about?
So that's the financial strategy part.
Yeah.
So when we look at an estate plan, first of all, what's an estate plan? What's an estate? It's all your assets. It's your home, cars you may own
Yeah.
outright, all your retirement assets. That's your estate. How do you pass that down to minimize taxes? Okay, estate planning is minimizing taxes. That's what it is. How do I pass that down to heirs so they get to avoid some of the really bad taxes that come with it?